Homegrown tomatoes like these don't happen by chance. They start with a perfect mix. Today, we'll share our tui tips for growing bigger, tastier tomatoes at home. Start by digging in tui compost and a good sprinkling of tui organic sheet pellets. Adding this organic matter will condition and nurture your soil for the growing season ahead. Prepare for planting with a perfect mix. Add a layer of tui tomato mix to your garden bed, digging this in lightly. Tui tomato mix provides a stronger start for your plants, including a starter fertilizer and seaweed to support root growth and potassium for fruit and flower development. Choose a sunny, sheltered location for your tomatoes. It's important to choose varieties that are suited to your climate, and even more important to choose tomatoes that you'll enjoy eating. Give your seedlings a good soak in tui organic seaweed tonic before planting to help prevent transplant shock and kickstart root growth. Dig a planting hole twice the depth of the plant's root ball and keep a note of your spacing to ensure each seedling has the space to thrive. Gently loosen the root ball and place your tomato seedling in the centre of the hole, firmly pressing the tui tomato mix around the plant's stem. Tomatoes require staking to support the weight of the plant as it grows. We recommend staking your tomatoes when planting to avoid damaging plant roots later on. As the plant grows, gently tie your tomato stem to the stake for extra support. Once in the ground, give your seedlings a good watering to settle them in and prevent wilting. Tomatoes are gross feeders, meaning they require large amounts of nutrients to grow big and strong. Regular plant feeding helps to replace these nutrients as they're absorbed by the plant and will encourage bigger, tastier tomatoes. Tui Tomato Liquid Superfood provides fast action feeding and is an easy way to fertilise your tomatoes. Boosted with potassium and seaweed, Tui Liquid Superfood promotes healthy plant and root growth. Simply use the measuring cap to add Tui Liquid Superfood to your watering can at the rate recommended on pack. Water in over the base of your plants and the soil, giving them a good soak. We recommend feeding with Tui Liquid Superfood every 1 to 2 weeks while they're actively growing for the best results. Continue to water your plants, either early or late in the day to avoid the heat of the sun. Remove tomato laterals to ensure the plant focuses its efforts into growing fruit, not unnecessary foliage. These laterals can be found shooting out from between stems and can simply be pinched away. Check regularly for pests and diseases. Slugs, snails and other pests can ravage young plants. A sprinkling of tui quash around your garden bed can help deter these pests. The best part of gardening is this: harvesting a bowl of homegrown tomatoes to enjoy. Pick your tomatoes as they colour and ripen, and harvest regularly to avoid bird theft. The perfect ending starts with the perfect beginning. Take the guesswork out of growing bigger, tastier tomatoes by starting with tui and a perfect mix. For more expert tips, gardening advice and growing guides, visit tuigarden.co.nz.